Hey guys, hello and welcome to our channel
3060 Nadi Production.
If you haven't subscribed to our channel, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon क्योंकि आज हमें इंडिया के टॉप 10 co-working spaces जो कि है
मुंबई में
और आज हम हैं भांडुप में. We are here in Bhandup LBS to review this co-working space which is called 1 Degree, which is rated as the top 10 co-working spaces in India by the CEO magazine, and what a privilege for us to be here in Mumbai, Bhandup here. So let's go and check out the co-working space. Natasha, are you ready?
I'm ready, Abner.
Beautiful space, lovely space.
And Abner, look at this. Oh my God, this is so fascinating. What is this? I'm like crazy about this one.
Wow.
My God.
Merchandise, t-shirts,
Exactly.
I guess. Whoa, what a place! Amazing, man. But why is it not full?
आपको लगता है हम लोग बहुत जल्दी आ गए क्या?
अरे हाँ, अब तो सिर्फ 8:30 है, मतलब और आधा घंटा है. आई थिंक
Exactly.
9 o'clock को यहाँ पे लोग फुल दिखेंगे आपको. 9 बजे sharp is when the co-working space opens and we're early, so it's amazing. And let's wait till 9. Amazing, yeah.
Abner, it's 9 and it's time. 3, 2, 1.
Whoa. I think we should not disturb. So what you're seeing here, the employees are all working. It's a co-working space. You have startups, different kinds of startups, working and achieving one goal and vision. That is to grow together. This co-working space offers the growth that people need. So just so you see, this is a place for startups. You get to connect with people, you can network with people.
Exactly.
And networking से ही तो हर चीज़ बनता है ना.
Yes.
So we will show you different places now at the co-working. You know, honestly, what? They have lovely facilities inside this 4,000 square feet facility. And check this out.
Abner, you know what I'm most fascinated about? This telephone booth. I have worked with so many places and so many offices. They don't have this.
They don't have
This
this, right?
is unique. This is perfect. They respect privacy and
Obviously, you know, this is something which is very unique, so that you don't disturb other employees working with you. You don't disturb other startups, or you don't disturb other organizations in the co-working spaces. 1 Degree has built the telephone booth for privacy. Super. Let's go and check what they have, because they've told us that they also have a sleeping room.
wow.
Let's go and check the sleeping room. This place is so cozy and so relaxing. Corporates always want a leisure room. Business organizations, startups को एक ऐसा room चाहिए जहाँ पे वो relax कर सकते हैं. और 1 डिग्री ऐसा एक रूम देता है where you can relax, you can relieve your stress. ये stress buster room है. It's a leisure room where you can sleep, you can become even more creative. बहुत सारे लोगों को वो थोड़ा रिलैक्सिंग टाइम चाहिए और बहुत सारे जगह पे रिलैक्सिंग टाइम नहीं मिलता, पर यहाँ पे वो रिलैक्सिंग फैक्टर है. You can just sleep. You feel so good, look at the pillows, the couches, the bean bags, and it's so mesmerizing. It takes you to the next level. मैं मतलब यहाँ पे काम करूँ तो बस यही मेरा कैबिन होगा, मैं यहीं पे बैठ के काम करूँगा. इट्स सो रिलैक्सिंग एंड इट्स सो डी स्ट्रेसिंग. मतलब पूरा स्ट्रेस चला जाएगा यहाँ पर और अब मैं सोने वाला हूँ. Absolutely so good. Perfect. The sleeping room, the leisure room, क्या रूम है भाई.
It's the best room I've known.
हर एक ऑफिस में ऐसा रूम हो तो बस ऑफिस ही घर हो. And now I think Natasha, it's time to go to the meeting room. We'll go check out the meeting room and the conference room, and also they have a lovely cafeteria. So we will go and check every facility that 1 degree has in store for us. Let's go. You know what, Natasha, this place is so cool. This is the pantry area of 1 degree co-working space.
Wow.
And I love the vibes.
Same here.
Cool vibes, no?
Also the frames. I love the frames. I like everything about this pantry.
It's so cool and it's so epic. And the best part about this pantry is it is a self-service system. So employees, startups and organizations make their own chai and make their own coffee. And I'm having my tea now. This is the 1 degree cup. And check out the pantry space.
This is a coffee that I made just the way I like it. Cheers.
और ये जो co-working space है मुंबई में भांडुप में है. Exactly, this is in Bhanduk, which is in LBS. So for people you're looking for your comfort zone within the area, you know where to come. ये co-working space operates from 9 AM in the morning till 7 PM in the evening. Sundays are off. Yes, Sundays are purely off. And the best part about this co-working space is it has facilities where you can आराम से work, peacefully work and get great results. This place is best fit out for startups. It's best fit out for organizations. It's best fit out for even single entrepreneurs. मेरे जैसे सिंगल एंटरप्रेन्योर्स अगर हो यहाँ पे, जैसे कि म्यूजिशियंस हो, डांसर्स हो, एंकर्स हो, डीजेज हो, अगर आपको लगता है कि यू डोंट नीड एन ऑफिस, you definitely need an office, because for you to grow and connect with your clients you need to be in a co-working space like 1 degree. You need to come here because this co-working space is ranked one of the best in India by the CEO magazines in India, and what a privilege for us to be here in Mumbai, Bhandup mein, the co-working space. This is a 4,000 square feet area and it will make you feel like home. We also want you to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Share, spread the smiles, spread the love.